corns is 6 for $1.
Over here, Joe. Sometimes we make the corn salsa, sometimes we take it off the cob and put it in the skillet.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how much we're gonna buy.
You need more now?
Might as well get the whole box.
Yes, we can.
I'm just joking.
If you want to do that box, just let me know. We can do the box. People do buy the box.
Yeah.
What did I say again?
Hello everyone. Today we're gonna be making cornmeal. Here are 8 white corn that we're going to be using to make corn milk. We will be using husk and all to produce the corn stalk. We will be cooking this until boil, approximately 15 minutes. We begin by cutting the corn. We save everything, including the cobs, the corn cobs. Now we'll remove everything except the corn stalk. Okay, now we filter everything except for the corn stalk. Okay, so now we're adding the corn into a blender with our corn stalk. Okay, and it just needs to fill up to cover the corn. Now we're straining our corn that went through the blender. So we're straining the last batch from the blender.
Smell good already. Thơm mùi khô.
At this point, the corn milk is raw. We still have to cook it and bring it to a boil, right, before we can actually drink this. So we're going to add about half a teaspoon of salt into our corn milk and bring this to a boil. We also want to add about 1 tablespoon of 1.5 tablespoon of rock sugar into the corn milk. If you don't have rock sugar, you can use powdered sugar or white cane sugar. Okay, so now we just need to wait for the milk to be boiled. Now we're adding 236 milliliter of heavy cream into our corn milk. Okay, and then stir it up. So this makes the corn milk a lot more creamier.
Béo, thơm.
With 8 white corn, we were able to produce about 3 liters of corn milk. And the corn milk at this point is cooked, it's boiled, and we need to let it cool before we bottle it. With corn milk, you can drink it hot or cold. In this case, it's still hot, and I'd like you to see what it looks like. And that is 1 cup of corn milk. Okay, now we are bottling. A final bottle. So this is the final bottle that we're going to fill up. That should be close to 2,500 milliliter, right? Not close to 3 liter, but not quite. Okay, we're gonna make 1 cup of corn milk with ice for you all to see. And it looks like soy milk, but it's not. It's corn milk. Look at that. How clear and crystal white the color is. Okay, and thank you all for watching this video. Please remember to press like and subscribe if you like this kind of video.